In this video, I am going to show you how this $24.99 device cools down your heating phones within minutes. Let's begin. Don't you just hate when your phone starts heating up within a few minutes of you using it? Especially when you're playing your favorite game or when you're recording a 4K video. But the problem is not that small. There is a bigger issue with heating. You might have noticed that the hotter the phone gets, it starts lagging. This is what the companies want you to do. Continue playing since they have added features that can turn off the phone if the sensors feel that it may catch fire. But that is an extremely rare case. If you feel your phone is very hot and you continue using it in that state every day, the life of your phone decreases and you might have to buy a new phone sooner than you want. Here is how you save your money by not buying a new expensive phone. Just spend $24.99 on this product and watch till the end to find out how you can get this product for $12.75. This is the device that comes with a magnetic sticker that you need to stick at the back of your phone, exactly at the point that heats up the most. The moment you connect it to a USB-C wire, the fan and the lights turn on, and within seconds you can feel the back starting to get colder. Now place the device on the magnetic sticker on your phone and never worry about your phone heating up again. Another cool feature about it is that it does not make any noise like most of the small fans. By the way, before I begin the test, since you find these type of gadgets interesting, why don't you subscribe to this channel? I review affordable, innovative gadgets every week. Back to the test. This is how I will test the cooler. I will be testing it on my old Samsung Galaxy S9 that had major heating issue. The app I'm going to use to measure the temperature is called CPU Monitor. I will play the game as long as it starts to get annoyingly hot. We check the temperature and then stick the cooler, turn it on and continue playing. 5 minutes later, I check the temperature again and see if it drops. If this product can reduce the temperature while I'm playing, I will be highly impressed. I will now start playing. The temperature right now is 34 degrees Celsius. I will check back again 30 minutes later and see how much the temperature changes. I've been playing for almost 30 minutes now and I think I'm ready to check how hot did it get. The temperature now is 41 degrees Celsius and it is time I put the cooler and connect the USB power on. 10 minutes in and the temperature has already dropped to 32 degrees Celsius. Before I tell you where to find this product from, hit the like and the subscribe button if you found this video interesting. Share it with your family and friends who needs it. This product is available on Amazon for $24.99, but I found the same product also available on Aliexpress for $12.71. Both the links are in the description below. Let me know in the comments section your pain points and I will try and find interesting gadgets that solves your problem. Thank you for watching. I am Anubhav. This is Rebrit. See you next week.